Oh, they're gonna be a bit hot. So they're super soft, look. I don't know if you can see yet. Ooh, it's hot. And look at all the chocolate bits. Really hot, but it's so good. Really hot. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that we're slowly growing as a community. Thank you so much for subscribing for those of you who have, and if you haven't, please do so. I'm so glad to share all these recipes with you and the experiences that I'm having. Today we're doing something that starts with the letter C, if you can guess what it is. I have so many Easter eggs left over that it's driving me insane. So can you guess what we're gonna make today? It's something really easy that if you have never baked before, it's a pretty good recipe to start with. And if you're frustrated about something, it involves bashing all the chocolates up. So I hope you enjoy it. We're gonna make chocolate chip cookies with leftover Easter eggs. So let's get started. So today I'm going to show you how to get rid of these without letting your kids overdose on chocolate. We're gonna make a choc chip recipe so the kids can have some at school and you can bring them to morning tea at school as well. It's gonna be really easy. Let me show you how. So for this recipe, you'll need 130 grams of salted butter, 90 grams of brown sugar, 110 of caster sugar, 150 grams of plain flour, 100 grams of self-raising flour, or just plain flour and just add in a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 eggs, a little bit of vanilla paste. I really like this one. If you use vanilla extract, just use 1 teaspoon, it's fine. If you're doing the cookies for adults, you can use brandy or anything like Kahlua as flavoring. And your leftover Easter eggs, roughly 200 grams is great. And you will also need a Ziploc bag. We're gonna use this to beat up the eggs. So open up your bag and start peeling your Easter eggs, or you can get the kids to do it. So you can hit pause now, and when you finish peeling all the Easter eggs, come back. All right, best part. Okay, put them in the Ziploc bag. Leave a little bit of hole so there's air. And say goodbye to those Easter eggs. You can use a roller pin or mallet, weapon of your choice. Ready? Ta-da! Perfect for the cookies. Okay, we're gonna set these aside. Look at that, perfect. Hope you had fun smashing all those chocolate eggs. Now, next step, we're gonna melt butter. Pop it into the bowl that you're gonna use to mix everything, and then microwave it until it melts 30 seconds to a minute, depending on your microwave. Listen out for it so it doesn't explode in your microwave. You can hear it sizzling, that's when you know that it's melted. Okay, I think that's melted enough. Okay, so that's melted enough, it's nice and soft. Whee, look at that. All right, don't worry about it having soft lumps, as long as it doesn't have big cold lumps. Throw in your 90 grams of brown sugar and 110 of the caster sugar, all at once. Give it a big mix. See, the sugar is breaking all the lumps of the butter. That's it. Then we're gonna have the 2 eggs. Put a bit of vanilla paste in there. Whee. Okay, now your bowl should be cool enough not to cook the eggs. Okay, 1 egg. Whisk your heart out. Pop it. It smells so good. Okay, next egg. You can hit pause now and catch up until you get the batter looking like this. All right, next up, all the flour goes in together. Hit pause, get your batter looking like this, and we'll do the next step in a second. Okay, next bit, add your Easter eggs chocolates in. If you don't have enough, you can always add dark chocolate bits. So this is your cookie dough. It's really cool because you can freeze it and whip it out, put it at room temperature and bake it whenever you have guests over, or you can bake it right now like I'm about to. As you get all your ingredients ready, don't forget to preheat your oven to 160 degrees. So last step, I'm gonna get the cookies out using the ice cream scoop, just like you've seen me in the Anzac biscuit recipe video. We're going to cook it for 13 minutes to 15 minutes, depends on how crunchy you want it. I like it a little bit softer, so it's going to be 13 minutes for me. Good luck with your cookies, see you soon. Ta-da! Look how soft it is. It's so good. It's really hot. I want to eat it, but it's too hot. Tastes like Easter. Cheers! My house smells like chocolate and vanilla right now. And if you followed along and you gave it a go, I think yours does too. I've tried a bajillion cookie recipes out there, and this has to be the one I go to all the time. I've done it on Masterchef as well. It is so easy and so quick. So if you want to make more friends, make more cookies, then share them around. Thank you so much. If you have other great ideas on how to use chocolate Easter eggs, please comment down below and I would give it a go because I have so many left in my house. If you want to make more friends, do bake these cookies and share them around. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notification. I really look forward to sharing with you my next experience. See you later.